Hey you guys, it's Erin from the Youth Method, and I'm here with a 10-minute workout for you today. We're gonna set your timer for 10 minutes, and we're gonna do these 3 exercises, 15 reps of each, until your timer goes off to 0. So we'll get right into this. We're gonna do tricep push-ups, and what that means is when you do these push-ups, you want your hands to be right under your shoulders. So I'll show you on your feet first. So rather than out to the sides, they're nice and narrow, right under your shoulders. Stomach is tight when you're coming down and up. Or you can do it on your knees, down and up. But I'm keeping my elbows really close to the sides of me. So those really target your triceps. Then you're gonna stand up and go right into the deadlift after you do 15 reps of those. So for the deadlift, I'm gonna have you just touch the ground and stand up. You'll do 15 on that leg, and then you'll do 15 on the other. So down and up, really squeezing as you come up. And you'll do 15 on that side, and then you'll go right into the plank with leg lifts. So you're gonna come down into a straight arm plank, and you're gonna lift and lift, and you're gonna alternate this for 15 repetitions. Okay, really keeping that stomach pulled in and the butt down. Then you'll go right back into those tricep push-ups for 15 reps, the deadlifts for 15 reps, and then right back into those planks with the leg lift for a total of 10 minutes for a great 10-minute efficient workout that's gonna help you burn fat. And these workouts are great to help you burn fat, but don't forget about your diet. So if you want help on a full plan, be sure to check out my 72-hour flat belly detox below. It's absolutely free. And in addition to workouts, it also has 3 days of amazing recipes to help you lose and burn fat. So also be sure to subscribe to my channel below, comment below on what you might like to see in the future. You can also subscribe below, or you can subscribe right here. And we'll see you guys next time.